Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, RCFL is a government of India undertaking and they have their manufacturing unit in Maharashtra. So they have released the recruitment notification in finance domain. So here if you see there is a vacancy for officers finance. It's a grade E1 vacancy. Here the pay scale will be in the range of 40,000 to 1,40,000. There are total 5 vacancies, out of which 2 vacancies are for unreserved category candidate and rest are all for reserved category candidate. Here the qualification age as on 1st July 2024. So it's a cutoff date for qualification and age requirement is 1st July 2024. Here you should be either a CA or a CMA as on this date. So all my CA freshers friend who cleared the examination on 11th July, they are not eligible for this vacancy based on CA or CMA. But apart from that, you have any other qualification, then you will be eligible. So other qualification asked is that either you should be CA or CMA or you should be a regular and full-time graduation degree in commerce, accounting, finance discipline. That is, you should be a BCom, BMS, BAF, BBA from recognized university and institution. So here important point is that it should be regular. Distance graduation will not be eligible. And apart from normal graduation, you also need to have a 2-year regular and full-time post-graduation degree. We should be either in MBA, MMS or postgraduate diploma in business management equivalent to MBA and postgraduate diploma in management or equivalent master's degree with specialization in finance from recognized university. Here they have specifically mentioned that MCOM qualification will not be considered. So just MCOM graduates will not be allowed. You should be a MBA or any other post qualification degree in finance, then only eligible. And if your specialization is not mentioned in the mark sheet or degree or certificate, then you need to provide them a letter from college or university specifying their specialization will be required. Minimum percentage criteria is also mentioned. Here for CA-CMA there is no percentage criteria. Even if just pass CA-CMA candidate are eligible. But if you are applying based on graduation and post-graduation basis, then minimum 60% marks is required in final year or aggregate of last 2 semesters qualifying post-graduation degree. So they are asking post-graduation degree and not that of graduation degree. So in your post-graduation it should be 60% plus, then only eligible. Now maximum age limit is also mentioned. Upper age limit as on 1st July 2024 for unreserved category candidate is 34 years. So very generous condition is mentioned. So here upper age limit is 34 years and for reserved category candidate different age limit is mentioned. You can check them. Now one important point is also mentioned that you also need to have post qualification experience as on 1st July 2024. Here they are asking minimum 2 years post qualification experience in executive cadre dealing with accounting and financial matters including auditing, budgeting, taxation. The period of training, internship, articleship will not be counted in the requisite experience and the experience should be after acquiring minimum prescribed qualification. Here they have mentioned knowledge in SAP FICO model desirable, though it is not compulsory, but if you are having a SAP knowledge then do mention in your application form, it will be favorable to you. Now date of eligibility criteria cutoff. So here as I already mentioned, your minimum qualification age limit should be as on 1st July 2024, then only you will be eligible. So you have to make sure on 1st July you are meeting all eligibility criteria. Now application fee. Friends, you need to make an application fee of rupees 1000. Now nature of job, they have mentioned that they are having 2 units operating at Thal, Alibag and Torambe, Mumbai and a nationwide marketing network. So you can be posted at any of the unit, area or office of the company at anywhere as per their requirement. Now salary and other benefits. Here they have mentioned candidates selected will be placed in E1 grade in the pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000 and your minimum total gross salary will be around 82,000 per month. And apart from that, this 82,000 employees also eligible for company accommodation at their respective locations and performance related pay, free medical facilities, etc. as per the rules and policies of the company. Now selection process, very important. Friends, mode of selection shall be personal interview basis. So there will not be any written test. Selection will be purely based on your interview. Now personal interview. So here personal interview criteria is that it will be of total 100 marks, and you will be judged on personality and communication skills. 15 marks will be for that. Your subject knowledge will have 50 marks. Nature of experience will be 20 marks, and general awareness and knowledge of computer, additional qualification, etc. will have 15 marks. So like this, total 100 marks you will be judged in the personal interview, and you need to score a minimum average of 50% marks in the interview to make yourself qualify for the merit list. So based on your interview and all other parameters, a final merit list will be prepared. Now how to apply? Friends, you have to apply through online mode only by visiting website of the company. All other details are mentioned, you can check them in detail, and in case you are having any query while filling the online application form, you can contact them at their mentioned email address for resolving any of your query. Dates, friend, online registration is started from 7th August 2024, and last date of making online registration is 26th August 2024 till 5 p.m. So by this time you need to fill up your application form. So friends, if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then definitely you should try for this post. Since it is a PSU company, you will get a exposure working in a PSU. Plus there will not be any written test, selection purely based on the personal interview round. So if you have the domain knowledge and plus the experience, there are the chances you'll able to clear this personal interview round. So do give it a try and apply for this vacancy. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.